너와 내 기억은 점점 희미해져만가 끝난 줄 알았어
지난 여름 바닷가 너와 나 단둘이
Yolk Hello， 大家好，又我哋，仲有我朋友
Chef Yong。
Hi everyone，Hello。
Hello。
我今日咧帶咗個Oppa過嚟，其實我都係Oppa啫，不過老一啲，算啦。Bye。What will we gonna to do today?
We're gonna make some Korean food today.
Yeah.
So, one with the 감자탕. I know.
감자탕就係呢個薯仔豬骨鍋。辣薯仔豬骨鍋，好多人咧飲醉酒之後，第二朝一定會飲呢個湯嘅。咁香港人咧就會攞嚟飲完湯，仲會打邊爐，真係好過分。
And then we're gonna make some Tteokgalbi.
Tteokgalbi 咧就係一個好似串燒嘅物體，佢會攞一啲免治嘅牛肉，佢整到一嚿嚿好似啲牛肉餅咁樣嘅。And then
we're gonna make a little bit of steak Jumeokbap.
steak Jumeokbap 係即係拳頭飯啦，咁即係飯團仔啦，就要用韓牛去做嘅。好。我哋今日係用壓力煲去煮감자탕呢個薯仔豬骨煲喎。
So first, we're gonna take the blood out from the pork. So either you could run this underwater for an hour, or you could quickly blanch it in the water just to get the blood out.
Okay.
So we're just gonna put a little bit of ginger, a
Ginger.
little bit of garlic.
You still working in Nanguifang, right?
Yes, I do.
佢係喺嗰間鋪頭度做嘅。如果你想見Oppa咧，你就記住去嗰度揾佢啦。
Yeah, look for me in Untitled.
이거는 비빔 냄새 빼려고 그런 거야? 即係話用葱啦、薑啦、蒜頭咧，去辟走啲豬味。How long you do for kitchen?
I started cooking when I was 17. I'm 35
No.
now. So I've been working in the kitchen for almost 15, 16 years.
So long.
I
You
know.
work in Canada or where?
I grew up I was born in Korea. Then I moved to Canada when I was really young. That's where I got all my culinary training.
Ooh.
I started with Italian food.
Italian food?
Yes.
Oh.
Do you cook often at home?
No, I just cook in this kitchen. Because I didn't go home. 芝麻葉 Can you say in Cantonese how long you stay in Hong Kong?
No. All I know how to say is Lang Lei.
靚女
For Korean soup, you definitely want to use a Korean doenjang because the Japanese miso won't give you that taste.
How many spoon you put on?
Probably 3 big spoons. 3 big spoons. Same ratio, right? So about 1. 'Cause I did the big spoon.
Big,
Then-
big spoon.
And then I'm gonna put a little bit of fish sauce.
咁佢要用大湯匙嘅，咁你就3-1-1嘅。I have nothing to do.
And about 2 tablespoons each of the gochugaru, which is
Okay.
a finer and coarse one.
OK，幼嘅辣椒醬啦，同埋粗嘅辣椒醬。
I'm gonna put some garlic. I like garlic, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that. I'm not kissing anybody tonight, that's for sure.
OK OK
Alright, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of oyster sauce.
oyster sauce，
Just gonna
蠔
mix
油
it.
都要落埋。我幾時先可以切到咁啊？我由聽日開始切菜先。
Just like 1 teaspoonful.
OK。
Okay, so we're gonna throw the pork that we cooked,
OK，
some chili pepper. Okay,
落啲辣椒
and、then spring onion.
大葱。
And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of perilla. And then
Okay,
rest of it
simayi.
we're gonna garnish it. Okay. And then we're gonna put potatoes. And then we're gonna fill the water probably 2/3, not all the way up.
OK, I know. Finally, I get something to do. OK， 好啦，跟住咧就芝麻葉嘅粉啦。
2 tablespoons. Okay. And then we're gonna put this yangnyeom. Okay, so you mix pretty well. Just a little bit. just to make sure the sauce is kind of dissolved, but not completely. Once it gets cooked, it's gonna get mixed by itself. And then you put it in the pressure cooker.
OK，我哋今日咧就用壓力煲去整嘅，咁擺落個壓力煲度咧，你只要撳20分鐘係煲湯嗰個咧就 OK。OK， 第二個
Tteokgalbi 양념.
What is it in English？
Korean style burger. I would say.
OK， 呢個嚴格嚟講叫做韓式牛肉餅。OK， 咁就好似串燒咁樣嘅。好 ，Can you tell me how to do it？
Yes. So usually Tteokgalbi, traditional Tteokgalbi is made with like you have to knife chop all the beef, but since we're
OK，
try to.
No, I chop it. I chop it.
You chopped it.
I
Chopped
chop
it.
it.
Yeah.
I used the machine to chop it.
So we're gonna reduce it just a little bit. Reduce it. Okay.
要煮一煮佢。佢用呢個都要煮咗佢先加熱先，等佢唔好咁水啊。
Make a small slit. You okay? Now let's test your knife skills on spring onion.
Oh shit！
Right.
Okay.
You know this is supposed to be 5-minute recipe. You know that, right?
七機，我要斬人。
I'm gonna go downstairs grab some coffee. You want?
OK， yeah， got better there please。Oh, finish.
I thought you just cut yourself. Okay. Okay, so now, easy recipe. So I reduced the bulgogi sauce about half. Oh, 2/3. If you don't like too salty, then it's fine. So I just add like half of the amount of meat that I have.
呢度大概250g 嘅肉啦。
And then chili, probably just, I like spicy. So chili will give nice sweet and spiciness to it. And of course the spring onion will give a nice umami flavor. Both garlic, about tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. And the cornstarch, about 2 tablespoons.
OK，
So one. So you mix the meat until it becomes more like a paste.
yeah.
That's
Okay.
good. Okay.
I got some meat here.
It's okay. You always have a meat on you.
OK，
You can make me a wasabi mayonnaise. 4 tablespoons of that.
4 tablespoons。
Open it first. That's it.
OK，
And then just mix it.
OK。
Yeah, the mustard, the acidity will just bump up the umami flavor, from the beef.
咁咧佢就喺雪櫃度攞翻頭先煮過嘅牛骨汁出嚟啦。
Okay, now I'm gonna put the sauce.
好。
Maybe I'll just put a little bit first. So after mixing, now I just mix this in,
哦，
but I'm just gonna lightly mix it. I'm not gonna bash it too hard.
哦，佢而家咁樣將佢撈完之後，再撈翻啲免治牛肉落去，咁你食落去個肉味咪會提升翻啦。有啲就醃好，有啲就係未醃嘅。
The reason why I add smoked cheese because when you're cooking at home, most people don't have grill, right? So you don't get that smoky flavor that you get it from the grill. Perfect. So that one we're gonna just grill it later. So you can put the skewer like that in the cheese.
OK， 咁我哋咧就雪佢15分鐘，跟住再拎出嚟煎。喂，第三樣，我哋而家咧就整個牛肉飯團，係一個好簡單嘅。首先你就攞雞蛋 ，egg。
So we're gonna make something called egg yolk jelly. Just bed of a salt. Cure it for 30 minutes to 1 hour. But 1 hour if you want to like hard gel, half an hour for like kind of soft gel. So this
Just
one
water?
I just made it earlier as soon as I got here.
Okay.
So this one is gonna drop in the water. Okay, 2 is fine.
Wow, 呢個正喎，呢個。
Bit of a sesame oil.
哦吼 ，like two teaspoon。
Like 2 teaspoons. 게딱지장.
嘅德之醬蟹膏，
게딱지.
一般喺出邊可以買到蟹膏，咁咧就最緊要用翻韓國麻油啊！大家都知我成日都講韓國麻油係最好最香嘅。
Wait, 3 tablespoons. This is a something called
海
감자탕.
藻冚茄，將佢擺落啲水度浸一浸佢。我哋準備材料嘅時候，呢盒嘢咧，我哋係買咗3嚿水。其實咧，韓國飯咧同日本飯一樣，只要你加咗啲麻油咧，跟住佢就會好黏身。
I'm gonna season with a bit of a sesame oil and a little bit of salt.
加多少少鹽添。
Then you just kind of mix it. Just get this beautiful beef.
We got a Hanu today. Oh, yeah.
Party up! You prefer Hanu or Wagyu?
Me, Hanu.
Ooh.
Hanu.
What cut is this?
What? This is Kalbi.
Galbi.
Yo.
Galbi it up. Yeah, nice. Voila.
Wow.
Jumeokbap finish.
Finish 呢個第一個牛肉飯團。喂，搞掂！咁我哋而家咧就喺雪櫃度攞翻頭先整好嘅牛肉餅出嚟啦。你係見到哇，成件事好靚，你睇佢煎到，哇！
What I'm gonna do is now I'm just gonna put the flame a little bit higher. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of sauce.
중국漢堡
Put it in a medium heat,
medium heat.
and then we're just gonna cover the lid right away.
By the way, don't put anything.
Don't put anything.
Don't
Just
open
oil.
it. 係啊，好啦，咁而家咧佢就會落個醬落去，再溝埋再煎一煎佢。哇！呢個係芥末加蛋黃醬 ，finish。跟住仲有個湯，我哋整埋就可以食得啦。Yes, we got 감자탕.
Okay.
I want to try your 감자탕.
All right.
This is the best. I don't want to try any meat. I want your soup. 你睇下咧，佢啲肉咧係一掹咧就甩咗出嚟啦。哇！啲骨咧啱啱好，我哋用濟州豬頸骨，咁即係個背骨咧。你睇下，哇，勁靚！cheese man， 好味。好味係你由個一食落去咧，中間有蟹膏啦、飯啦，跟住咧你咬到出邊咧甜嘅牛肉啦，跟住前面咧有嗰個咧好似嗰首死人大陸歌喺做嗰度，你而家聞到唔到呢個？佢中間有嚿 baked cheese 咧，即係焗 smoke 咗嘅 cheese 咧，真係正。記得啊，頭先嗰支醬真係萬能啊！ nice man， 哇！你睇，勁靚啊 ，nice。嗱，大家記得跟住個 recipe 去做，記得要揾 Chef Yolk。仲有呢度係我 Facebook、YouTube、IG， 佢呢個係佢 IG， 記得要 follow 啊！多謝晒大家，多謝 ，thank you， 拜拜，안녕，
안녕.
안녕。
구독, 좋아요.
Okay. Thanks, man. 와, 진짜 맛있어.